Hey guys, so welcome back, and as you can probably tell, we're inside the car now. So there's one reason for that, and it's because it's absolutely baking outside. This is the hottest weekend of the year so far, and the interior needs a bit of a clean. Unfortunately, it's not terribly dirty actually, but yeah, I can't shoot anything outside. It's just far too hot. So today we're going to be looking at the interior, and in particular we're going to be looking at the Tri-Clean from Gtechnic. So yeah, let's get into this. First of all, have a quick look at the befores, and yeah, let's dive into this video. So as you can see then, it's not too bad really, it's just more dust and dirt more than anything. And so we're going to be going ahead with the Tri-Clean. There's a few areas, so I'm going to see how it fares up on the upholstery. It's not too dirty, a bit of dust, and then this scuffing down here on the plastic scuttle panel, kick panel, whatever you want to call this down here. So the bit of plastic door sill trim. So I'm not going to do too much because I'm hoping in a couple of months to get down to Gtechnic for you guys, and we'll shoot a video down there. But yeah, let's give this a hoover out first of all, and then jump onto the Tri-Clean. So with all the surface dust lifted, then with the hoovering stage, we're going to first of all tackle this bit of scuff down here. So I'll quickly show you. I'll try and do this one-handed as well. So yeah, you can see a little mark just there. So what we're going to do is grab the Tri-Clean. Oh, quite a bit comes out with each squirt there, and get your detail brush as well. So I've got a large work stuff one here. You just agitate that. This is an antibacterial cleaner. It can be used on all surfaces on the interior as well. We'll go through the full details in just a moment. So, smells very nice, and then just wipe away the dirty residue, and job's a good one. That is dried out. That, my friends, is nice and clean. So we're going to continue around the rest of the car in the same format. First of all, as I say, this is Tri-Clean, and all surface interior cleaner that also kills 99.9% of bacteria, developed in conjunction with global leader in antibacterial technology, BioCoat. So Tri-Clean ensures all surfaces remain hygienic and fresh by to reduce the number of microbes and bacteria. Tri-Clean also contains a true odor absorber, not just a mask. So yes, that means it doesn't just mask over the smell for a few days. It actually absorbs the smell and neutralizes them, gets rid of them. So yeah, as I said, there's a few marks. It's not terribly dirty in here, but we're going to go ahead and clean all of this. So let's crack on. God, it's red hot. So sorry it's a bit of a shorter video than normal and not up to the usual standard and quality. But it's absolutely baking. I need to get this video done. And yeah, the only thing I could think of really was doing the interior. So as I said, this has been the Tri-Clean from Gtechnic. So thanks very much to Gtechnic for sending this out as well. Yeah, very, very easy to use. This has took me 10-15 minutes, and that's messing about with the camera just to go over all the hard surfaces in this car. I'm not sure if you can use it on glass. I guess you probably can. I think you can use it on leather as well. I believe it's safe to use on leather, and of course your upholstery. I know I didn't show any upholstery shots, but there's nothing really worth cleaning right now in here. So yeah, I've not done that because I didn't want to show you that and not actually be cleaning anything. As I said, the rest was just light dust and a bit of doggy nose art here and there. So yeah, the idea of this entire series obviously is to see how the ceramic coating on the outside of the car is holding up. So what I'm going to do then in a moment, after I finish waffling on here, I am going to just overlay some footage from hopefully next week. I'll be able to get a quick wash done, but you can see how dirty it is from these shots now. Yeah, and hopefully as well we'll be able to see right now, if I'm timing this right, the beading and sheeting is still there 8 months down the line. So yeah, that is how the car is looking after 8 months. So I hope you've enjoyed this video then, and as always, if you have, please don't forget to smash that like button. I hope this gives you a good insight to some of the products Gtechnic do offer as well, and also how the exterior ceramic coating is holding up. I'll put a link just up here as well to subscribe to this channel. It really does help us out. We really do appreciate it. It doesn't cost you guys a thing. And finally, a couple of videos down below that we think you might enjoy. So yeah, until the next video, have fun detailing.